Good morning everyone. I am Nagesh Bhatre,
And I am Atharva Kollai.
studying in 10th standard. We are here for presenting our project which is automatic washroom system. It is purposefully made for the public washroom system. The module is made because of the conditions in the public washrooms. There are very admirable smells, they are very undesirable and are very stinky. To prevent this and to overcome this problem, we have made our project. So our project basically starts with the Arduino Atmega 328P, the relays, 12-volt battery LCD which shows the intensity of ammonia level, MQ135 which indicates and senses the gas, the solenoid valve which is the digital pump and controls the flow of water, the DC pump which releases the disinfectant to the urinals, and the exhaust fan which helps to escape the odor.
As he explained the components, we could rather go to the working of the module. So, according to the MQ135 gas sensor, which is highly sensitive to ammonia gas, when the ammonia gas quantity go above 400 particles per million to 600 particles per million, we have set the LCD's display into 5 levels: low, very low, high, very high, and intolerable. So, as per the ammonia level rises into the atmosphere, the LCD will show the exact amount of the ammonia present in atmosphere. And when the ammonia level rises to very high or intolerable or even high, then the urinals will be automatically released with the disinfectant, and then continuing with the solenoid valve will turn on and the water will flow through the urinals, which will help in cleansing it easily. And also whenever the level rises, the odor will also escape through the exhaust fan. So actually the MQ135 sensor, as I mentioned, is highly sensitive to ammonia. The sensor also senses various different gases, but ammonia is the gas which is produced by the urinals stink, which is very much people hesitate to use urinals because of the smell of ammonia only. But the smell of ammonia is not normal in urine. Actually, the enzyme urease hydrolyzes urea into two components, and that are carbamate and ammonia itself. So, and carbonate also further hydrolyzes into another molecule of ammonia, which is responsible for the urinal stinking process. Actually, a layman may mention that 95% water and 5% urea compose the urine, but when it not cleansed regularly and very often, then it may actually stink, and you may not be tolerate with that smell. So here, as you can see, the urine decomposes like NHCO, NH plus H2O, then it hydrolyzes into NH plus NH again and HCO. That means two molecules of ammonia are released that result into the stinking of urinals. Here we use solenoid valves because the solenoid valves can be controlled digitally. So when we see a normal valve, we control the valve open and off with the help of our hands itself. But here in the digital valve, we can control using electromagnetic principle, as we can see in doorbells and etc. So here the coil is wrapped around a solenoid which helps into releasing the water through the valve and also turning it off. And the DC pump releases the disinfectant into urinals, which will also cleanse it out, and the DC fan will escape the odor. So now we will show a practical presentation of it. As you can see, we have a sample of ammonia over here, and now the level rises into intolerable. So automatically the DC fan is being turned